Hey guys, Blaine Weicker here with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams. I'm back out here today at 1712 Fox Glen Court here in Winter Springs, Florida, zip code 32708. I'm doing my open house today here from 12 to 3, so you got a little bit more time to come see me. If you have any friends or family that are looking to relocate here to Central Florida, specifically Winter Springs, in one of the most desired neighborhoods out here. So have them come take a look. I'll be here till 3 o'clock today, so tell them to come by. If you can't make it out, feel free to give me a call on my cell phone. My phone number is 386-479-0456. I'll set up a private showing for you. Here, I'm going to turn this around. This is the gorgeous 1712 Fox Glen Court. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, a little bit under 1,700 square feet. But again, guys, if you can't make it out, just give me a call or a text, and I'll set up a showing for you. If you can't get a hold of me, you can always call my transaction coordinator at 321-348-8720. Looking forward to seeing you guys out here. Have a great day.